Hi, good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you're all healthy. Let's get into our topic. Before starting the class, we are going to see value-based story which is necessary for our life. Watch and enjoy. Yes, students, I hope you all enjoyed by seeing the value-based video. Now, we are going to get into the topics. We are going to concentrate on the topic spike abacus, successor, predecessor, ascending order, descending order, forming greatest and smallest number by the given digits. The first concept going to be spike abacus. Numbers showing on spike abacus helps the students to understand the number and its place value. Spike abacus is very helpful to understand the concept of magnitude and name of a number. Now look at the video and get clear idea about the spike abacus.
Representation of numbers on spike abacus. We have learnt the representation of 4-digit numbers on a spike abacus. A 5-digit number 13205 or 13,205 can be represented on the spike abacus as shown here. 5 beads in the ones spike. No bead in the tens spike. 2 beads in the hundreds spike. 3 beads in the thousands spike. And 1 bead in the 10,000s spike. Now let us write the number represented in this spike abacus. It has 1 bead in the 10,000 spike, 4 beads in the thousand spike, no bead in the hundred spike, 3 beads in the 10 spike and 6 beads in the 1 spike. So, the number is 14036 or 14,036. Writing the numbers in words and figures. Suppose we have 8 at 10,000's place, 9 at thousands place, 0 at hundreds place, 2 at tens place and 7 at ones place. In figures, it is written as 89027 and in words as 89,027. The next number has 7 10,000s, 0 thousands, 500s 6 tens and 3 ones. In figures, it is written as 70563 and in words as 70,563. The last number has 1 lakh, 0 ten thousands, 0 thousands, 0 hundreds, 0 tens and 0 ones. In figures, it is written as 100,000 and in words as 1 lakh.
The next concept going to be successor. Do you know what is the meaning of successor? Yes, the number which comes immediately after a particular number is called its successor. The successor of a whole number is the number obtained by adding 1 to the given number. Now the next one going to be predecessor. Obviously you all know what is the meaning of predecessor. Yes, the number which comes just before a particular number is called its predecessor. The predecessor of a whole number is 1 less than the given number. Look at the following and get a clear idea about a predecessor and successor. Successor and predecessor. Now successor, the number that comes just after a particular number is called its successor. Successor of a number is equal to given number plus 1. Now we are going to take a 1-digit number, that is 5. What is the next number of 5? It is nothing but 6. Okay, when you are adding 1 to the given number will give us 6. Yes, so the successor of 5 is 6. Now we are going to take an example. 3 crore 16 lakh 12,319. We are going to find out the successor. So now it is an easy one. You need to add 1 to the given number. So 3 crore 16 lakh 12,319 plus 1. Now we return 1 below to the ones place. 9 plus 1 will give us 10. So the remaining will move to the tens place. 1 plus 1, 2. So the successor of the given number will be 3 crore 6 lakh 12,320. Yes, are it all clear? Now we are going to see the next concept called as predecessor. The number that comes just before a particular number is called its predecessor. Otherwise, you need to subtract 1. Let me take an example of 1-digit number 5. So, what is the previous number of 5? That is 4. Okay. Now, subtract 1 from 5. What will give us? That becomes 4. Okay. Let we take an example for finding predecessor. Predecessor of 35 lakh 14,100. So when you are finding predecessor, you need to subtract 1 to the given number. Yes, children? Okay. What is a given number? That is 35 lakh 14,100 subtract 1. So 1 should be below to 1's place. Now the place of ones is 0 we can't able to subtract. So we are going to break up the tens place. Tens place is also 0. So we are going to break the hundreds place. So 100. So 100 is equal to 10 tens. And then the tens place we are going to break it. Now 10 become 9 10 and 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. Yes. Now 10 minus 1 become 9. 9 minus 0 9. 0. So 0. The remaining number will be same. So the predecessor of 35 lakh 14,100 will give us 35 lakh 14,099. Yes children, got it? The next concept going to be ascending order. Okay, what is the meaning of ascending order children? Can anyone tell that? Okay, so ascending order is nothing but arranging numbers in the form of smallest to biggest is called as ascending order. It is also known as increasing order. And the next one is called as descending order. Descending order is nothing but called as decreasing order. So when you are arranging the number largest to smallest is called as descending order. Now we are going to look at a video to understand ascending order and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Let us meet Rahul. He has to climb which are numbered 1 to 10. Rahul start from number 1. He climbs on to step number 2. To step number 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, finally to step number 10. Did you observe that as he climbs up each step, he is ascending or moving to a greater number than the previous number? Thus, we say that when the numbers are arranged smallest to greatest, they are in the increasing form or ascending order. He is on top, step number 10, and has to come down to step number 1. He comes down to step number 9, which brings him to a lower level than step 10. Then to step number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally to step number 1. Did you observe that as he comes down each step, he is descending or moving towards to a smallest number than the previous number? Thus, we say that when the numbers are arranged greatest to smallest, they are in descending or decreasing order. The next concept going to be forming greatest and smallest number. In forming of greatest and smallest numbers, we know the procedure of arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order. The position of the digit at the extreme left of a number increases its place value. So, the greatest digit should be placed at the extreme left side of the number to enhance its place. Now just get inside the video to understand about smallest and greatest number forming by using the digits. Hello friends, look who's here. Bunny the rabbit and Ben the bear. Let us learn how to form the smallest and the greatest three-digit numbers using the given digit with them. Let's start. Look, Benny wants to eat the big carrots. Each one of them has a digit written on it. But he can only eat the carrots when he formed the numbers smallest and the greatest three-digit numbers using the digit 692. Let us help him to form the smallest three-digit number. Let us arrange the given digits in increasing order. Here 2 is smaller than 6. 6 is smaller than 9. So, we have arranged the digit as 2, then 6 and then 9. Wow! He have formed the smallest three-digit number, that is 269. Now, to form the greatest three-digit number. Now arrange the number in decreasing order. 9 is greater than 6 than 2. Now the greatest three-digit number 962. So the greatest three-digit number from the given digit is 962. Yippee! Bunny is happy, enjoying eating them. Hey, look at Ben has found some barrels full of honey. Each barrel has a digit written on it. He wants to eat the honey, but to open them, he has to form the smallest and greatest three-digit numbers using the digits 3, 0, 7 written on the barrel. So to form the smallest three-digit number using the given digits, we arrange them in increasing order. 0 is smaller than 3, is smaller than 7. But this number is not a three-digit number, it's a two-digit number. So we interchange the position of the first two digits, that is 0 and 3, to get the smallest three-digit number, that is 307. Now let us form the greatest three-digit number by arranging them in the decreasing order. Here 7 is greater than 3 than 0. So we have arranged the digit as 7, then 3, then 0. Then the greatest three-digit number formed is 730. Look, Ben is eating the yummy honey. He is also happy. Hope you all learned forming numbers. Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice day ahead. Enjoy. Be happy always.